Good evening, Sianemugela. We have returned yet again with another episode of The Young Climber, and today we have traveled all the way to Stegi, visiting Spesihle Dlamini, who is going to show us what being an agripreneur is. He is of Opulento Farms, and most importantly, he is a beekeeper. Ningbona nje ngihleli la, ngihleli eMantundulwane, but we are about to talk about the story, of farming bees. It's such an extravagant one, Sibabonile labanye bahlanyela letinye tinto, but today's story is also just as unique. Especially welcome to Young Climber.
Ngosi ngiyabonga kuba nami.
Kutakwa Milana was a very exciting one. I was excited for this one, but also scared. Lokunye lesingaya kuwo ukuthi lokukulethe to this position, I am very, very sure it was your upbringing. Before we get into the bees, before we get into the farming, ukhulele kuphi kanjani, and what values did your community or your family instill uze ube ngulo muntu lona?
Ngokusho ukuthi ligama lami nguSipesihle Sibusiso Dlamini. Ngitalelwe eMbabane Clinic.
Okay.
Ngihlala khona la eStegi. Kukhula kwami ngikhuliswa ngobaba Dlamini nalamsebi. Ekhaya sibathathu sibafana bonke. Kuyi boys hostel nje. Boys hostel nje. So growing up siyangena ka farming kanza vele Baba uyaphithitela. Baba abesebenza ebhange, and then he comes he retires, and then also ungenela farming. So every time sihamba naye.
Yeah.
Hamba naye siyasebenza boSiphofaneni, siyasebenza boFufulahla. Seke nami ngithi ke nasengicetha high school year 2020 sense asengiti ndizele nami. Ngise ngoba senginadoda impiko sengibonile ukuthi khamba kanjani. Sesiyaqala ke siyalima ke 2020 siyakhula kanjalo. Size sifike kuleli langa lalamuhla.
Which we've come to a very beautiful day ngoba Nyalo so established, so successful. Wathatha lemfundo yababa wakho kuhamba naye, and you applied it in real life. Nyalo, you are the founder of Opulento Farms, known for its wild forestry honey. Ngishite ekuqaleni sibabonile labanye balimi, but lujungilenye info. What sparked the interest yakho yetinyosi?
So with the honey, uqala year 2023.
Yeah.
Ngisenhlangano kagogo la kakhulela khona baba. Ngidilimele amabhontshisi.
Okay.
So sinabo bangani siyahamba nebafana simahlathini. Ngoba kugcwele emahlathi enhlangano. Sebathi asisiyokhipha sihamba ke lapha. Nako ke sitiyasithinza kofa ngoba sihamba nebamhla abadzala labatiya ukuthi tikhokhwa njani basikhiphele tona. Sengiyabuta ke ukuthi manje nangafuna kuthengisa kuhamba kanjani ngoba ngiyabona lapha bo Pick n Pay emakhekhe bayothengisa.
Yes.
Ngithi ngiyadesa kwenda yini ngoba vele kuyi farming nawo. Wathi cha Nkosi singakutfolela thina nangabe wena ungafola emarket. Ngithi cha asengihambe ngiyawuncufulisa kulaba labatiko letitolo. Bathi cha singasebenza seke kuqala kanjalo. Seke ke siyaqala ke sengiyalicupha ke nasengibuye ekhaya. Ngizama kuhlanganisa bonsumbulwane sengiyalicupha ekubeni ngivune amabhontshisi. Ngase ngicala ke le business yale luju. Sesilithenga nje ma local farmers nakhona la khaya kaBaba Dlamini.
Oh, okay. So ekuqaleni kwakho bulithenga lo luju
Bengilithenga.
bese uyalithengisa
Kunjalo.
before you started farming it yourself.
Kunjalo.
But ke ngicanga ukuthi before we get deeper into that, lokunye lesingakukhulumisa ukuthi yathi na usaqala nje ibhizinisi kuba netingcinamba kube netinkinga lobhekana nato. Wena taba khona yini ekuqaleni, and how did you manage to overcome the tinkinga leto?
Hawu. Kukamkhathale business. Kofa nje siyalwa siyachubeka ngemalanga. So starting business wise.
Yeah.
Ngicala ngekubhaka ama scones.
Oh, okay.
So ama scones ngithi hayi farming ngathi nemali. nemali emhlabathini. Ngibona phi le mali ngibona kubaba. Yabo. Kwakulula nje uthi sose yabo. So saya
Inyama behleli khona.
Malangeni yawati na. Malangeni yawati na. So ke sesiyangena ke seyangena ka farming ngiqala ke ngawo amabhontshisi ke kunema ups and downs. Climate change ikhona.
Yeah.
Sivuno sekuqala nje silima 0.5 hectares enhlangano kagogo. Afika litulu sesitawuvuna next week kwafa but yaphuma leyo 50 kg. Sense continue yabo. Ngekuququtelwa abantu basekhaya nebantu basebandleni. Usayidla mina njengoba usengisela imvolo emnanzi iqhubeka. Senze hayi ke angiqhubeke nami ngoba vele kude le impilo lekhona ngaphandle kwemhlaba. Seyasuka ke yangeta suka emabhontshisi yangena kubo emantongomane. Yakhona yasuka lapha ngithi ayi ngoba lelitulu inkinga lenkulu nje enemile enkulu yemlimi litulu. Liyashisa lina kakhulu aliconzakali kahle. Seke hayi sithi asisebenzise nayi itechnology timvo letilula. Sikufola ke lokho sengikufola lapha esibhokopho. Kuthi wo naku ke indlela lo songayenda sesiyafunza ngale dinyosi. Ngithi no asengibe innovative in such a way ukuthi you can do other things in farming within the value chain. Don't just focus on being a producer, but look ukuthi because everything is connected.
Yeah.
If ngakhona ukuhlanyela akusho ukuthi ngingangeni ka farming, but let me do something else. Ngene ka value chain. Ukhona lokwathi icoba package. Ukhona lomunye lowathi kwenda lelikabishi. Ukhona lomunye lokuwathi lokuphekela lelikabishi.
Yeah.
So kuyi agriculture.
Yes.
So then I chose ke lapha kaNangsanyane ka honey production ngathi aseke ngihlale phansi ngingabe ne stress ngishifte the stress to someone else. So that's how we cope with the stress of a business. Just try to delegate things. Ubuke the minimum risk. Yeah.
Okay. Lokunye ke loke wakhuluma ngako is the idea of collaboration. Shito ukuthi now saqala lelinye luthi bolithola kubomakhelwane wakho ngisho njalo. Ngicela sikhulumise the importance of collaboration, especially with the community around you.
Imqoka kakhulu ngoba sibamfu siyathingana. Sibamfu sibanye kude sifukulane kufute sisebenzisana. Nangabe mine lolunye luju nje la ngilithathe eTikhuba kaBaba Mathi. Tikhuba indzawo lesemakhaya.
Okay.
So nangabe mina asidla mina ngine 5 liter. Ngimsita naye soyakhona ukubeka singwe etafuleni.
Yeah.
Uyakhona nebamfana sebakhona neke esikolweni. So kubambisana lokho futhi kule business le dinyosi. Naye sonem umfo ukuthi avikele imvelo. Ngoba yona seyimupha lesingwa sekuphila. So siyabo sekunebamfla bathafu. Kunemvelo, kuna lomfuyi, kunami lo mthengisi.
And they consume.
Yeah. Sekunani ke hawo. Bamfla bamcoka kakhulu. Igolide lefu lesithi sija sifuna kusitani ngoba nayo iconsumer ifuna kuphila kahle. Sefuna senegula sesiyamlapha ke ngaleluthi. Sithi hayi nathi dokotela ungadli luju, ungadli shukela. Naleluthi. Impilo selo ingaba mnanzi. Akusafuneki nje ukuthi sekuphuma konke. Seyakhona ukuthi sokuphola lo. So kumcoka kakhulu kubambisana. Ungathi igodlela konke wena.
Yeah. But ke sisakhulumisa indzaba yeluju.
Yebo.
Lesike sakubona kuwe that stood out the most is your branding. Balithengisa luju bantu sebabona emgwaqweni umuntu wathi ifakele ku2 na indlela la lenda ngayo. But satofika kulesigaba sekubranda ngoba phela ibusiness ihamba ilungu. But that has always stood out for you. Kumcoka kangakanani kuba nebranding lekahle lenhle and imcoka kangakanani ibranding.
ngaqala wena Nkosi ngithi knowledge is power.
Yeah.
So first kuze ufike kulesigaba sabo branding nani kufute kube na ukhona loyo lokucugudela lokho. Lokho sikufunza phi ngofunza kuma entrepreneurial programs lengaka ngongenela. Kuthi unalo libusiness unaso sifiso.
Yeah.
Kofa lo muntu loya lo munye akade ngawo. Yini letakwenda wena ugcame. Yini letakwenda ukuthi bamfu bete ku. Seyangena ke lapho the part of marketing. Kakhulu kati nje kuyo ngisito ngumnakefu. Because he is exposed kulawo ma fields lawo. So nguye long assista ukuthi okay, this is how we design. This can be attractive. Na bona labo social media. Sibasebenzisele lokubuka lamanye amabhizinisi ngoba ufunza kulabanye bafu. Athi maswati indlela ibuta kulaba sempili. Sesiyafunza kulabanye bamfu ke bona ukuthi wo America babranda kanje. South Africa babranda kanje. Yini ke singathathi leyo micomfo lehlukene sibuyisela ka Ngwane. Kuze batayithanze ngoba ngayo ngiyo letakugcamisa. But it's having the vision.
Yeah.
Because it's a story. Branding is a story.
Yeah.
The name of the business is a story. The product is a story. So it's storytelling basically. Kuthi lo yangimtshela kuthi nganaku lengwenda.
And you know, speaking of the story, can we just revisit the title, Opulento Farms? Now, uyayibeka uthi ligama linenzaba yayo. Why did you name it Opulento?
So opulento is a Latin word for wealth. Ngekufunza tincwadzi, it was inspired by incwadzi ya Robert Kiyosaki.
Okay.
Rich Dad Poor Dad. So he talks about the difference between rich and being wealthy. So ngathi let me choose wealth ngoba yona umehluko wayo kunema riches ukuthi it goes over a period of time. It's a legacy thing. So no angifuni kuba rich, funa kuba wealth.
Kusho ukuthi umuntu lo rich ngendeka angabili ukuthi kusasa.
Angasho boss. Usho. Angasho boss. So I chose that name kuba unique in such a way. Could say be wealthy. Everything you do, it's about wealthy. So in such a way you are making a declaration in your business.
Yes.
Could say we are here to create wealth. We are creating not for ourselves but for the community at large. Because the purpose of business is to be of service. So we need to service the other person.
Yeah.
So then it came Opulento Farms, and then we register it through the help of Junior Achievement bana UNFPA. Ngoba ngibo bathi hey lana sifunza entrepreneurship up magama en.
Yeah.
No. Let me use wealth. But wealth is a general name.
Yeah.
But let's make it catchy like. Kutsi kahle kahle yini le opulento kuyini kuswati kusingisi kuyini. So that's the story. It's about creating wealth. That's why our motto as Opulento Farms is efficiency is wealth.
Okay, so it could have easily been Wealthy Farms.
Yes, it could have.
But it is Opulento. But Nkosi, Nasasbuya, from our ad break, we will be talking about the several programs that you participated in and just getting deeper into the idea of farming and being environmentally conscious while you're at it. But that is only when we return. Welcome back. If you just tuned in, you are tuned into Young Climber, and on today's episode, we are chatting to Siphelile Dlamini. Sikhulumisa tinyosi kahle kahle namuhla, but we're talking about Opulento Farms, which has a broad story, you know, suke mantongomaneni, you know, there's so much to cover. But lokunye that you mentioned, Nkosi, lokumcwaka kakhulu, I think the idea of being environmentally conscious while you're farming, because Nyaro Siyatisek introduced many new technologies. How have you managed to stay environmentally conscious while sustainably farming the bees?
Yes. So pretty much conserve umhlaba it's the major agenda in bee farming, because loluju liqhamuka from nectar leqhamuka from imbali leqhamuka kuphi esihlahleni. So lo umqoka ukuthi kuze iphile inyosi idzinga imbali. So kumqoka ukuthi le natural habitat si conserve because kuhambelana nemigomo yakamhlaba.
Yes.
Yekuthi nasonga leti hlahla atisithi kona le lolvavasi lulimele lusita naletilwane letihlala lemahlathini, lusita nanawe wena muntfu ngoba sesisakha imali kuyo lemvelo. So kuyabambisana kakhulu. So in bee farming, say conserving the environment, kuyimali kwakona lo, because you have things like carbon credits, which speaks to ukuthi wena uyigcina uyireduce kanganani carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and then you get paid for that. So why not ukuthi kule business lakho letinyosi bese you take advantage, because it's another stream of income. So bee farming has a lot of streams of income. So conserving in nature is very, very, very paramount to the success of the business, because without trees kude luju nasite tona tihlahla nale mithi yasetibhedlela ngeke sithola. So cishe kuyabambisana kumqoka vele.
Lokunye Nkosi is that you've taken part in several programs such as JA, UNFPA, Women Farmer Foundation, and Africa Food Changemakers. Can we just talk about those experiences, how they came to you? Because but lamathuba lawa khona sihlale siva lokho ngebantu abahlukahlukene ukuthi it's just that we do not go out there and chase them, but the opportunities are there, the programs are there. How did you become a part of such programs, and how did they help you grow as a business person?
Ngayiqala wena Nkosi la kuthenini kufute bantfu balati iphupho lakho, especially in my case family, because wonke umuntu uyathi uthi ngifuna kuba farm agripreneur.
Yes.
So the collaboration nema friendships latiyo ukuthi wena what's your vision, what's your drive, ufuna kwenda ini, ngiwo la kusonzeta to such options. So opportunity yase ka JA UNFPA, honestly speaking namangathi singayifola njani, but it was through a friend.
Okay.
That's what I remember. It was through a friend. What's the assist join now?
Okay.
It's okay. Queen gone JA. Bengicansi JA mina wasesikolweni high school yabo. As I join kwema business basita bampe ma business. Sisayithatha ke siyangena kiyo. The best experience I've ever had, because it changed the way I looked at business. Ngoba ngafunza lapho business siyenda simfu thina sisendela ukuthi manje siphile kusasa, and it's not about that. It's about building something that is long lasting. So we learned about entrepreneurship, what is entrepreneurship, what is the importance of record keeping, ukuthi nawenda info kumqoka ukuthi uyi document it down, so that you have the track. Ubona ukuthi nangene ka bean farming, is it really profitable? kutangifikisa yini kule end goal yami lengifuna kuba nayo. Njengoba ngishito knowledge is power. So siyayiphola leyo, siyahamba siyayingenela nemnakefu, sakha buhlobo nalama ema-farmers, lababhakako, labapfungako, labenda loka naloka lokuhlukela.
Yeah. But just before we wrap up, very briefly, how do you think agribusiness can help tackle the youth unemployment rate le setulu lana ekhaya eSwatini?
I think we could use delegation. Delegation in the terms of ukuthi akungabi ngimi lotakhele amabhokisi.
Yebo.
Bakhona labafundzele bo-motivate. So bona they could do labe carpenter bangasendela amabhokisi. Ukhona lo moya lo ufundzela i-marketing nabo IT elimkhokhweni. Akasithathele asidesignele asakhele bo-website asendele. So it's basically good delegate and then kukhuthaza nje nabantu labasha ukuthi i-farming akusilo kuya emhlabathini toti. Njengoba nami ngikhona nga-processing. Ukhona lo moya lo ka-production, ukhona lo secondary, primary.
Yeah.
So there are a lot. It's just saying nguphi la ngangena khona nganaki lenginako mina. If unema accounts, you can be an agricultural economist. Usibalele ukuthi okay kuze sifole i-loan amabhokisi lawa lesinawo, what value do they have? Lesingenda ngayo collateral kuze sifole leyo loan. So it's about, I believe it's delegation.
Yeah.
Ngathi bambele konke same.
Sisebenzisane.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ukuthi sengibambile amabhokisi. Sengakha ibhokisi sengenda lokwa nalokwa sengenda lokwa nalokwa. So nje ku lapho lona strength khona siyasithatha, we synergize and then sibambisana
together.
Yes.
3 parting words, Khosi, very very briefly, to our youth kukhuthatha nje abantu labasha ukuthi ungaba nemsebenzi ngoba phela nawe akusho ukuthi ulaka farming every day every hour. You do have your job, your 9 to 5, but ngala solubambile because it's an extra income, you know. Sekukhuthatha nje abantu labasha lababukele Young Climber.
So to the viewers at home, kungaba ukuthi business ayisikhuni, like anyone could say. Business is not hard because you just need to have the vision, know where you're going, know where you come from.
Yeah.
So ayisikhuni, and in everything you do ungamkhohlwa uNkulunkulu because it's the basis of everything. Because singatendela konke thina, but I can plan ukuthi I want to do this, but nguye who makes it like a success at the end of the day. So business is not hard. Opportunities are there. Hulumende usivulele ama opportunities. Funding is there. It's just investing yourself in it. Utifake wholly into what you are doing.
Yeah.
Ungakopi. Akusuke kuwe. Akusuke kuwe. And then use external sources like bona bo Facebook.
Yeah.
Kuthi labanye emhlabeni benda njani, Facebook, your LinkedIn, be out there. Socialize, connect, go to seminars, anything le relevant to what you're doing.
Yeah.
And then you pray.
You pray.
Obviously,
Sibonge kakhulu Nkosi kuba nawe la Young Climber. Unfortunately, in the interest of time, you know, we do have to wrap it up here. But sibonile nakuboma etinkhundleni tekuchumana batokhona ukutfola mhlambe banayo imibuto labangayibuta wena. Sicela ubavulele le platform ukuthi bakhona ukubuta. But thank you so much for joining us today.
Siyabonga Nkosi.
That was Phesile Dlamini Babukele Makhani Vile. It is connection, collaboration and delegation. Ngumcwa kakhulu ukuthi sibantu labasha sisebenzisane ngemakhono ethu lahlukahlukene to make us successful and most importantly wealthy. But that is it from us today. We will be coming back next week Tuesday at 6:30 with another great and inspirational story. But for today it is good night and God bless.